very much. We can always say that it's from each other that we get this warmth, the love, and the strength to be the super moms that we all are. Thank you so much that you're all present here. So we formally begin the function. We're just waiting in a minute. Our director ma'am is going to be here. So give us just a moment and we'll begin. Thank you for being here today.
An awesome morning to everyone. As I stand before you to the celebration of the heartbeat of humanity, Mother's Day, it's my pleasure to extend a warm welcome to the driving force behind our school's mission and vision, our director ma'am, Ms. Avinash Kaur, our esteemed principal ma'am, the driving force behind our school's success. Joining them are our head of junior wing, Sarika ma'am, the architect of academic excellence, our coordinator, Payal ma'am, orchestrating every detail flawlessly, and our dedicated FY coordinator, Ms. Manveen ma'am, our enrichment head, Ms. Sudeshna Sharma ma'am, igniting creativity and passion in our students, and most importantly, the radiant mothers in our midst. Before we embark on our journey of gratitude and admiration for the incredible women who shape our lives, I would request Director Ma'am to address the gathering. Ma'am, please. The architects of our earliest dreams, the guardians of our tender hearts, and the steadfast pillars of unwavering love. Their gentle touch, their comforting words, and their boundless sacrifices weave the tapestry of our existence with threads of compassion and strength. Today, let us bask in the glow of their radiant love and express our deepest gratitude for the profound impact they have on our lives, shaping us into the best version of ourselves. A big round of applause for the superheroes without faith. So, without further ado, it's time to fill this hall with the beautiful melodies of appreciation. I invite on stage our talented students of Class 3A to share their heartfelt tribute through a song. Let's welcome them with a round of applause as they grace the stage to honor the extraordinary mothers in our lives. of maternal love and appreciation. After witnessing such a touching musical tribute, let's now shift our focus to a different kind of performance. We have some extraordinary students of 3B ready to take the center stage for an enchanting ramp walk. So let's hear it for our future trendsetters. Our true fashion icons on the runway.
She lives a lonely life. She lives a lonely life.
Don't miss the confidence they are showcasing with every step.
When she woke up late in the morning, like the day had just begun, she opened up her eyes and thought, oh, what the morning. It's gonna take a while.
Our students are setting the stage on fire with their energy and style.
She's going to get you all that she wants. Baby, love me back. She's gone to love for all that she wants. Baby,
Our
love
true
me back.
fashion icons on the runway.
All that she wants. Baby, love me back. She's gone to love for all that she wants. Baby, love me back.
Hats off to these amazing students displaying attitude and flair, giving us all in all.
So if you always have a date like she's hunting on a farm, a gentle voice that talks to you won't talk forever.
Now on to these fantastic students who are not just walking but dancing their way into our hearts.
She's going to get you all that she wants. Baby, love me back. She's gone to love for all that she wants. Baby, love me back. All that she
Our lovely only the incredible children who have walked the ramp, but also the amazing mothers who have guided and supported them every step of the way. It's time for our spirited mothers to embrace the spotlight and enjoy their moment on the ramp. Show us your confidence and grace as you walk the ramp with pride. We have our esteemed panel of judges whose keen eyes for style and flair will help us crown today's fashion royalty. Here's to the real-life superheroes who have shown us the power of love and resilience, our incredible mothers. The roots of the ramp are: flash those proud smiles as your enthusiasm sets the tone. Strike a pose and pause for a moment for our judges. Now I would like to invite all the mothers sitting on my left to come up on the stage for the ramp walk. From childhood beauty to runaway royalty, let's give it up for the multi-talented mothers who are here to show us how it's done. Don't miss the warmth unleashing their inner demons. Number 18. Don't miss the bombs flashing their proud smile. Number 86 on the floor. Let's give it up for the multitasking Mongols. Number 81. The fourth lady on the floor. Strike the pose and pause for a moment for our judges. Wow, amazing. Number 2. The Sakat on the floor. You are beyond compare. Audience, please keep on cheering. Here we have number 108 on the floor. Don't miss the moms unleashing their inner divas. Now we have number 6 on the floor. Runway stars, mom, you have come so far. Number 46. Moms on the move, fierce and fine, watch them walk that runway line. Audience, please, we need your support. Please cheer for them. This time we will say voting is allowed. So you can even vote. Voting is allowed, audience. Number 102 on the floor. From diaper duty to runway royalty. Here we have number 16 on the floor. Strike the pose and call for a moment for our judges. Number 17. Here's to the real life superheroes. Let's have number 37 on the floor. Moms on the runway, fierce and bold. Now we have number 84. Flash those proud smiles as your enthusiasm sets the tone. Well done.
Hi moms, this is so fun. I'm so pleased to get to friends and not enjoy the process. All right. So please, this is for you to have a fun day. Who gets what doesn't very fact that you're there on the stage and enjoying and giving everybody a complex is more than enough. Alright? So please enjoy the day.
Now we have number 83 on the floor. Forms on the runway, wheels and bow. Number 61 on the floor. Both you are not compared. Audience, and we are forever grateful to your countless love and support. Now prepare yourself to be transported through time as we dwell into the evolution of motherhood. Our next performance promises to be a captivating journey, blending the grace and elegance of yesteryear's mothers with the strength and dynamism of present-day mothers. I invite our talented dancers of class 4A and B to take the stage and mesmerize us with their portrayal of this timeless transition. Get ready to witness the beauty and resilience of motherhood across generations.
And there's
कोशिश करना, थोड़े से शब्द थे, इसलिए एक शब्द में डुबकी लगाना जरूरी है। पीवत रामरस लगी कुमारी, पहला शब्द तो पीना। सत्य को जानना नहीं है, पीना जीना। जाने छाने लगी है बाहर की हरकत, जूही को खिलने दो, जूही को खिलने दो, चंपा को महक जाने दो, गीत को उठने दो और साज को छिड़ जाने दो। जरा संभलने दो मीरा की थिरकती पायल, जरा गौतम के सधे पांव बैठ जाने दो, गीत को उठने दो और साज को छिड़ जाने दो। हंसते होठों को जरा जाने दो अश्कों की नमी, और नम आंखों को जरा फिर से मुस्कुराने दो। रात को कहने दो कलियों से राज की बात है, गुलों के होठों से उन राजों को खुल जाने दो। जरा जमीन को अब उठने दो, जरा जमीन को अब उठने दो अपने पांवों पर, जरा आकाश की बाहों को भी झुक जाने दो, गीत को उठने दो और साज को छिड़ जाने दो।
From ancient times to modern day, reminding us of the timeless bond between a mother and a child. Before we proceed further, I would like to take a moment to extend a warm welcome to our Vice Principal Rhino Ma'am for gracing us with her presence today. Now may I request Director Ma'am to address the meeting, please.
Namaskaram, Assalamu alaikum, good morning and a very warm welcome to all of you. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers present here. Thank you. Being a mother myself, I completely understand the love and care we all put into raising our children. So cheers to all of us. I'm sure you all are enjoying today's event.
Yes. Louder.
Mothers,
Yes.
Mothers, I must say, your confidence is commendable. It was truly remarkable when you came on stage. I'm so glad that your children and your mothers both are the same. They are so confident. Our children are showcasing beautiful performance to make you feel special. Are you happy today?
Yes.
That's good. A big round of applause for our children. And for our teachers. I want to thank all the mothers for your love and support. Keep encouraging your children. Keep motivating and help them to achieve their goals. Because I feel that mother is the best teacher for your child. Yes? Thank you teachers for working hard together. I really appreciate when you work together as a team. Thanks all the heads of academic team for all your effort. Let's aim to achieve higher and higher, day by day. Good luck and enjoy the show. Thank you so much.
Alright, now while we wait for the second round of the ramp walk for mothers, so let's play a fast paced fun challenge. So I would like to invite the mother who's wearing maximum number of rings to come in front, please. Just check out how many rings are we wearing, and if are the maximum number, please come.
Not maximum, a lot, so we see whether there is.
Alright, so please, 3, more than 3, 5, please come ma'am. 5 or more, please come. Alright, more than 5. More than 5, anyone with more than 5 rings? 6, we got 6 now. Anyone who's wearing more than 6 now. Oh my god. 6. 6 is the number. So more than 6. So less than 6, please come down, ma'am. We have 2. So I would request, ma'am. So, okay, 5. 6 ones. Ma'am, 5 and 6 can stay. And ma'am, I would request you to give a token of appreciation. Yes, 6. Okay. 6, 5 and 6. Please, please come. Yes, mothers with 5 and 6 rings. Please come, ma'am. Let's cheer for them. Now the mothers who have a passport size picture of their child with them, please come in front. Just check your handbag. Passport size picture. Wonderful. Please come. Please come in front now. Yes, please come on stage. Please come. I would request ma'am, Aisha ma'am, please join me. your breath, please. And number 114, please line up for the second round. So once again, I'm quickly just calling out the numbers: 114, 39, 2, 83, 61, 150, 125, 40, 95, 73, 130, 32, 28, 100, 33, 31, 67, 76, 72, 12, 81, 102 and 111. That's 111. So now ladies have to come in pairs on the stage. Yes.
It's time to welcome back some familiar faces who have truly captivated us with their grace and style. Audience, please cheer them. Sassy and classy and full of grace, these moms are winning the fashion race. It's not just about the walk, it's about the attitude. Flash your smile for our judges. Show your attitude. Both with the flair and the sheer determination to own that runway. Sassy and classy, full of grace. Contestant number 28 and 81 on the floor. your presence and reminding us of the beauty and strength of motherhood. Flash your smiles, mothers. It's okay. Relax. You can start moving down. Start moving. Now it's time to shift gears. As Rumi once said, music is the bridge between heaven and earth. And today we stand on that sacred bridge, ready to be lifted by the enchanting rhythms and divine verses of Qawwali. So let us open our hearts and minds to the wisdom and beauty that flows through this ancient art form and invite our talented performers of class 4D who will transport us to realms of spiritual ecstasy through their music.
स्टॉप करेंगे स्टॉप करेंगे
Thank you. applause once again. Thank you, ladies, once again. As this is our opportunity to celebrate together, please join me in welcoming our last performers, students of Class 5B, on the stage as they share their love and appreciation through movement.
Great.
It's time to roll out the red carpet once again as we welcome our fabulous winners from the ramp walk. These incredible moms have dazzled us with their style, grace and charisma, and now it's time to celebrate their well-deserved victory. We invite you to bask in the limelight and share in the joy of this momentous occasion. I request the head of Junior Wing, Sarika ma'am, to kindly escort Director ma'am and Principal ma'am to do the honors. Please, ma'am. So first on stage is Petal Perfection number 2. Give it up for number 2, Petal Perfection.
So I will not be speaking much right now. I just want you to know that there is no mom of the day or super mom. These are the titles, right? Otherwise, our expectation is that kuch aaya, ab aaya last, the queen and all that. No. We are looking at you, and the titles are as creative and beautiful as you all have been. So I hope you all understood. So expectations have to be set right always.
Next on stage is Blossom with Beauty number 32. 3232. Blossom with Beauty number 32. Next on stage is Garden of Dreams number 39. Keep on cheering, audience. Next on stage, Floral Symphony 125. Number 125, 125. Floral Symphony. Next on stage, Enchanting Flowers, number 113. Enrichment Head Sudeshna ma'am to please come on stage and do the honor. Next on stage, captivating floral wonders 111. Thank you, ma'am. Audience, please cheer up for the winners. Flourish with Flowers, number 12. Number 12. Flourish with Flowers, number 12. Elegant Blooms, 73. Next we have Elegant Blooms, 73. take Manveen ma'am and Payal ma'am to do the honors. Crafted with elegance, number 72. On stage, please. Crafted with elegance, number 72. Congratulations, ma'am.
Why are we so bitchy in appreciating? I don't understand.
Exquisite Blossom, number 95. Exquisite Blossom, number 95. Floral Paradise, number 40. Floral Paradise, number 40. Keep on cheering, audience. Floral Paradise, number 40. Magical Blossom, number 83. Magical Blossom, number 83. Last but not the least, Floral Artistry, number 114. Floral Artistry, 114. of motherhood. To all the moms present here, big round of applause. Thank you, Principal Ma'am, Sarika Ma'am, Kyle Ma'am and Marveen Ma'am for showering your love.
And thank you all your mothers there. I think you should appreciate the titles, you know. Very thoughtfully.
As our event draws to a close, let's take a moment to reflect on the laughter, camaraderie and unforgettable moments we have shared today. From translating tunes by vivacious moms, to mesmerizing musical numbers by our students, we have embarked on a whirlwind of fun and laughter that will surely be remembered for years to come. But before we bid adieu, it's my honor to invite our esteemed Principal Ma'am to share a few words with us. We would be delighted to hear your thoughts and reflections on this special occasion.
So I am not in a hurry otherwise, but ma'am has to leave. So thank you so much, Avinash ma'am, for taking out the time and being with us. So you are a super mom. Let's give her a big round of applause.
I have to go on session, so that is why my flight is at 12:30. Thank you so much. I really enjoyed. God bless you. And अपने लिए टाइम निकाला करो यार. This is the only time. अपनी exercise पे पूरा ध्यान दिया करो. ठीक है? Okay.
So now we know where she might be going. Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
Bless you, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So it's still good morning. Good morning, dear moms. And a few grandmoms, super moms, we call them super moms, and super dads. Thank you for joining us. So this is a day for fun and for you to get out of your routine. Whatever the routine might be, you might be working, you might be a homemaker, which is more tough, we all know that. Because the ones who come out do have that excuse कि मैं तो काम करती हूँ तो मैं ये सब नहीं कर सकती. But actually staying at home is the most difficult because it kind of is not as appreciated as much as what we get outside. So I might come to office and not really do all that much. But I will get some appreciation. But there at home I'm doing everything and I might not. So this is a way of saying thank you for everything that you're doing for your families, for your children, and for ensuring that the children have a safe and loving environment at home. So thank you moms for all your love and patience that you give to your family. I wonder if you guys have ever thought why the taste of the food cooked by the mother and a help tastes different. Have you ever thought of that? And it is love, sweat, the sweat and the desire for it to be the best for your family, child, anybody, friends. So when we cook with love, the taste is always different. The ingredients might be lesser. The recipe is all over the place. But the love is right where it should be. So I think that is why we need to appreciate all the moms, raise your hands, who are homemakers. Yes, give them a big round of applause. Maximum moms are homemakers. They are ensuring that they are happy families who are going out to do their work, which is a very big task in itself. So that is something that we need to start appreciating in this society because that's another very important part. And in the West, they have moved forward and realized that there has to be a homemaker. It doesn't have to be a mom. So they are dads who are homemakers, which is even tougher because you're going against the societal norms. So all the dads out there who are stay-at-home dads, I think we should give them a big round of applause because that is why a lot of women are able to go out and be the super women that they are in their work areas. It's not that easy. Yes? So thank you so much. I think we are all very overwhelmed with all this talent and beauty and you know, but I think at the end of the day it's the fun. And let's give it off to the judges because it was very, very tough. So one judge is gone. Manmeet ma'am, thank you. She's outside. Sudeshna ma'am, thank you. Oh, there you are. It's very tough, I know that. So that's the most difficult part. इसीलिए मैंने 2 साल से ये बंद कर दिया है. I never sit for assessing because that's the toughest, and I believe the most, like, you know, not my cup of tea anymore, because every one of you needs to understand, for me, the beauty is in your smile. The ones who smile the most are the most beautiful. So, not to worry about the makeup. And by the way, I don't know how to do makeup, and I am trying to get my super mom there, Sunit, to teach me. And that is what I keep telling her, let some of that makeup rub off on me. Yes, because my lipstick stays for half an hour and I have to go and reapply it and come back, because then you have to speak. Not the makeup person, but beauty is inside. It's not the outside, you know, visage that we present. The dress is just a theme. The floral is because we've just gone through the spring is here, so we wanted blooms, and that is why we are dressed like that. But you all are so beautiful, and we have to continue being that. Life is tough, but let's not let the problems and the frustrations and things that are happening in our life affect our inner beauty, in our thoughts. So stay beautiful and let your children enjoy. And again, I would like to say that at Smart Wonder School, we want everybody to be happy and beautiful. And like I said, beauty lies in the eyes of the, I didn't say it, but I'm saying it now. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. So ask your hubbies, your children, and if you're fortunate enough, your boyfriends, how beautiful you are. Yes? Most probably third wala answer bahut acha dega. Yes? So we should have some people there to tell us how beautiful we are. Done? Are you going to do that? Boyfriends or girlfriends? Girlfriends bhi aajkal hamare, you know, they are there for our emotional support. So go out with your friend. Yes, ma'am.
And we can ask our sons also.
Yes, I said children. I said children are part of the sons. Yes, and sons will give you better compliments, I think. The girls might say, Mama, aapka ye nahi theek tha, wo nahi theek tha, aisa tha. And the son will say, Mama, you're beautiful. Yes? Yes? You must have said it already. Yes. So I also do that. The moment I wear a sari in the morning, I ensure that I go say good morning and bye to my son. He'll say, dress up होके कहाँ जा रहे हो? School ही तो जा रहे हो ना? I said, don't worry, school ही जा रहे हो. Yes? Yes? They are worried. Mama को क्या हो गया? ये lipstick क्यों लगा ली? कहीं और तो नहीं जा रही? So I tell him, no baby, photographs will be uploaded on the website. Mom is in school, not with her boyfriend. Yes? So, but we need it. Find friends in your life who make you feel good. Not beautiful, feel good. You've got to feel good to lead a productive life. Right? I have many and I am blessed. So thank you. All my friends are sitting here and there, and it is an amazing feeling. So please enjoy. We have some refreshments for all of you. I think ma'am will tell. Thank you so much, Pallavi ma'am, for taking us through this beautiful show. And by the way, I'm just telling you the secret. I'm borrowing this after this. Yes, because that's mine to be. Thank you, ladies. It was an amazing, amazing day. And I think Sarika ma'am and Sudeshna ma'am, let's start doing this more often for 3 to 5 moms. Yes, the 3 to 5 moms are so used to being pampered in the foundation years. Thanks to Manleen ma'am and the team, they feel a little left out when they come to class 3, 4, 5. So don't worry, we'll have this into an annual event for you guys so that you have a lot of fun at school. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Listening to you is always very inspiring, and your inner beauty radiates on you always. We have seen you. Thank you, parents.